Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. We are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today I have an epic clean with me because, as you can probably tell from behind me, my house is a hot mess. It is so crazy right now. I have been sick and the kids have been on holidays and we have been all the places, and in fact this morning we went out with some friends to a place called The Farm. It's like a working farm restaurant type thing. It's quite fancy actually. We left the house in a super big hurry, but we are home, the kids are settled, they are just playing in the bedroom, and I am going to clean this house from top to bottom because things have just gotten out of control. But the great thing about minimalism is it's so quick to get it back to order. I also am going to be cooking for a women's event tonight. So I'm going to cook and I'm going to clean and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you guys are cleaning today, clean along with me and let's get some stuff done. As I mentioned before, we had to get out of the house really early this morning, so I had not even unpacked the dishwasher, but I'm always surprised at how fast it is to unpack it. I think that's one of the great things about not having too much in your kitchen, is it makes it really quick and easy to unpack. And I always have my little helpers. Winnie is just putting away our utensils and cutlery in the drawer. This is such a great job for little ones. And so when my kids are first starting out with chores, this is one of my favorites. Recently, my coffee machine died, so I've moved to this old school percolator, and I actually really like the retro look of it. It's actually called a Peekaboo, which I think is super cute, but I really like it. It's super easy to clean, and it looks a lot less cluttered on the bench.
What you give is what you get. I don't care to start a fight. I don't want you to say
So after I deep clean all of the counters and my cooktop, I really like to give the sink a good clean. We have like the two sinks and then a sideboard either side, and it just gets a little bit manky after a little while. So I'm just using a little bit of gumption and getting it all nice and clean, especially behind the faucets. And then I just use my Norwex window cloth to give it a really nice shine at the end.
Change my mind, it's still the same. I feel it in
it really helpful to set up the robot behind me. It's almost like I'm doing two things at once. So now that I'm finished in the kitchen, he's going to clean in there and I'm going to start tidying up the living room. We had been given a whole heap of clothes for Hamish, so I'm just tidying that up. And then all just those little odds and ends that have crept into our living room, I'm just getting them back to their homes so that we're clean slate, ready for me to vacuum all the floors. I absolutely love these chairs from IKEA. They are so lightweight and easy to clean, but those little holes in the backs and the seat part of the chair are just a food collector. So every once in a while, at least once a month, I like to just take the seat apart. I'll pop the seat part into our bathtub and give it a good wash off so any food particles come off. And then I'll just use some gumption to get into the holes on the top part of the chair and wipe down all of the legs. It is a really quick process, but it just keeps them nice and fresh because obviously kids will be kids and they're going to make messes, especially with food. So this just keeps them looking really good.
When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Baby, dance, 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 we fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the
Now I'm just taking a clean microfiber cloth and just getting any marks off my lounge, and I just like to give it a little freshen up.
So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, dance, dance.
Alright guys, I am in my bedroom. It's bonkers in here. I'm just warning you, I'm going to show you in a minute just how bonkers it is. I also know it's going to be really quick to clean up. So it is bad, but you know what, we'll get through it. It doesn't make me a failure as a minimalist. It's just messes happen, you know? So I'm just cool with it. I also wanted to say that during filming this video, I have probably stopped 20,000 times to help a kid get a snack or set them up with a no activity. So don't be thinking that I have some superhuman kids that can keep themselves occupied while I clean. I just don't feel that part. So one has found me and he would like some milk. So I'm going to get that. Then I'm going to show you how bad it is in here. Then we're going to clean it. But don't be worried if your kids are like my kids and they have needs like constantly, that you have to stop cleaning to help them because that's life. But I'm going to go get him some milk.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting.
about you guys, but my bedroom is kind of like the hub of our house, especially because we have a family wardrobe. So a lot of this stuff was just things that had accumulated in here. I'm just getting out, setting aside all of the clean laundry, putting things back in their correct home, and removing any items that don't belong. I actually had some blankets that had been sitting around for ages that I'm actually getting rid of because we haven't used them this winter, and you'll see them in my doorway. And I'm also tidying up this cupboard. This is where I get the girls ready in the morning, and so I just like to give it a little spruce up, getting everything back where it belongs, so tomorrow we are ready to go.
Keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short.
I'm just giving my room a really quick vacuum. As you can see, I've left some laundry there. I fold my laundry and put it away at night once the kids have gone to bed. So I'm most happy to leave that because I know I will get to it a bit later. But I'm going to give my bedroom a full vacuum, and then I'm going to steam mop it. I absolutely love my steam mop. It is the best mop I've ever used, and I will never go back. It doesn't leave the floors sticky. They're almost dry to walk on immediately. So if you guys are thinking about it, I highly recommend it. So the completist in me could not leave it without showing you what it looked like when it was finished. Of course, it doesn't stay this way all the time, but it is good to know that we can get back to this stage really quickly, no matter how crazy it gets. And it's really so encouraging when you can sit down at the end of the day knowing that everything is clean and tidy and back where it belongs. Even though my bedroom was super crazy today, it actually only took me about 15 minutes to clean. And while I was doing that, my girls tidied up their room and they did such a good job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe and join our community. Here are some other videos we think you might like. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you'd like more videos like that. And I will catch you guys in the next one.